Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Vilanagos. So it's been a very long time that I didn't upload any video from my channel. So today in this video that I'm gonna share or show to you all guys, that those who are waiting for any video from my channel. So today in this video that I'm gonna share or show with you some content that I want to show you how do we rear a pig in a village area. Especially this video to you all my friends who want to see how do I live in a village area, how do we rear a pig in a village area. Okay, let's go and see. So, one, two. One thấy đó. Khách về, khách là Scott. So this that we have two pigs. Dùng từ chỗ. Bò ra. Có video việc không?
Man pakai tengah. Man pakai tengah lah. Kalau.
Here we feed some like rice stalk and then some banana stem, then we cut and then we give them and we feed them. So some jackpot and then